In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find and open websites from the reading list in Safari web browser. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Safari web browser, and first off, guys, let me show you how we can easily add a website to the reading list. To do that, all we have to do is just tap right here and then tap at Add to Reading List. After that, the website will be added to the reading list. And now let me show you how we can easily find it. There are two different ways how we can find reading list. The first way is tap at that book at the bottom toolbar, and then just tap right here to activate that reading list tab. It will show us all the websites from our reading list. And also we can place reading list to the start page on Safari web browser. To do that, all we have to do is just tap at Edit on the start page, and then we need to activate reading list. Once it is done, just close it, and as you can see now, the website we have just added to the reading list is now showing on the Safari start page. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.